magic powder.
What did I say?
Shaggi magic powder.
You see the way it is? It's only small if you rub it on your face like this.
Okay.
So these abroad people that just come, if they see like this, they'll just be smiling. That's what they call first and love sight. Next.
Make it stand up, no do Brodda, take it back up, take the taka, no do Brodda, IamDike.
Hey, customer.
Happy New Year, my people, on a day. I believe you guys are having fun. Thanks for all you did for me last year. I really appreciate it. This is a new year, and I believe and pray that this year will be better than last year. You understand? Everything we want to do, anything we put our hand, now so we're going to go forward. You understand? You understand? So this year is going to be a blast, and hopefully everybody will enjoy it. You understand? So you know what I do, comedy reaction 100%. So just make sure you watch my videos to the very end. You get, make sure you watch it to the very end. Make sure you subscribe if you're yet to do that. Today very as an important. Mona help me do all that thing. You feel me? So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Let's watch this video.
Let's watch this video.
You? Wait, so now here you dey. I dey come from your house now, I find you. They say you know the house.
Okay. So as Christmas don't finish now you dey find me.
Oh God.
No be like that now. You know say now work I dey do now. I dey busy now. Why?
Because I tell you, say make you buy wig for me for Christmas. Your number no come go again.
No be like that too. Oh, yeah, she no say 2 days before Christmas they thief my phone.
What I trying to say?
They thief your phone.
Aje.
No problem now. Now the person wasting my heart with this now.
Ha! What be this? I don't test fish. It is in a play.
Wait. So you leave me because they follow this man now?
They play.
Because they get car.
Guy, which can play with you? You know everything she talk. Come on for here now.
Bros, now my girlfriend with this.
Come on for this place. Yeah, regime don't go.
We going.
In fact, come, let me give you transport money.
Yes, boss.
Don't want to see you close to her again.
If you even use now to Bitcoin, boss.
Yeah, well, no.
I will trade that with Ether and then they fast and reliable.
Don't worry, I have cash. Okay. No need to come. Take.
Thank you, boss.
I'm sorry for all of you.
I don't want to see you close to her again.
Nice doing business with you, boss.
You feel even collect the money.
Say they see girls. When I get money, you dey shake nash for me.
Continue.
As money don't finish now, you dey shake head for me.
The shake head.
You take her. Yeah, boss.
You take her. Hi.
Shaggi magic powder.
What did I say?
Shaggi magic powder.
You see the way it is? It's only small if you rub it on your face like this. Okay. So these abroad people that just come, if they see like this, they'll just be smiling. That's what they call first and love sight. Next.
Make it stand up, no do Brodda, take it back up, take the taka, no do Brodda, IamDike.
Hey, customer.
You don't need to wait here. When they find president. How you money?
Start at the floor, get on the floor.
Shaggy!
Now Shank too.
Oh, yeah, me. This is a business they go. Powder again!
You did it.
Hey, what do you want?
You better say this is a powder, don't you?
What do you want, Doc?
No, shut up, guys. You know that girl where I tell say I taste pain, but of course I know this pain. She dey come visit me from Port Harcourt now, and her flight now 200k. I get like 150. I don't know if you just give me 50k. I think be your distributor for this part.
I think Balo you
50k.
How you money?
Limau, you be like say you know where. Yeah! This one why they say I don't make 50k. Okay, I don't get the 50k, Joe. Get where they come from. If you don't find like that, one way to fall.
See, if you no one give me 50k, say no one give. Say my baby's not fine now. No problem. This one not fine for you, eh? You shut up.
They play.
Hey, come.
I don't like this. This one not fine for you, eh?
For like hold up.
No, these Anita.
Anita, come. Okoye. Now for like be this person wey come here last 2 weeks. She come buy powder say she want use her whole 1 year of the guy where they come from Spain. Wait a minute.
It's coming with me. Now let me this space. Abi.
Wallahi na you.
Tell me your partner no dey work.
I pay to you.
Officer, arrest this bastard.
Okay, what I do you?
No be you say powder give me. Which powder? Shaggi magic powder. And I see there here. You see my face?
Anita.
Mon Prince.
What's going on here?
From Spain?
Yeah.
¿Qué será?
Sergio Ramos, Ike Casillas, Andre Iniesta.
Hey, Chinedu, you there right? Now, person I say she buy powder, take lucky with this. They do.
You think I don't know?
I want problems always. Something way back for this.
Cinema buy chicken. No.
How much for your chicken?
This one, na just 30,000.
30,000 naira for chicken.
Yes, now.
How much be me when be human being? Why they do like that now?
A better chicken be this oh.
How much last?
30,000 last.
Buy your chicken flavor.
Chicken flavor.
My boss.
Come.
Okay.
I dey come. I give you boss.
My boss. Oh.
How much for your chicken flavor?
100 naira. Oh, I don't feel like for you.
100 naira.
Chairman, you the leaf food chicken one by flavor?
Yes. I be vegetarian. I don't forget before. These people they pay me self. Hope if I use this chicken flavor cook everywhere go they smell chicken abi.
Now chicken flavor you want buy. They send past chicken. If you won't use and cook bomo, it still sends past food chicken. Now they like if you use that all your house go they smell chicken. Your neighbors go they perceive aroma of chicken.
How much for everything?
Seriously, not 3K.
I can't come.
See God work.
God tell the blessed person.
With the train.
With the train, can you imagine? Mozkoh, you know get sense.
My petit koya.
Papa, where don't know?
Your body.
Body day. Now what you they do here?
My petit, you not go vex for me, yeah? I don't know whether you feel borrow Papa 500 naira. Papa never talk since morning,
Hey, Papa. If I get 500 naira, I for not they stand here. I for day where they sell jollof rice, they chop rice. Papa, as I day so, nothing gone me. She buy no day.
She buy no day.
Papa, you know say you na elderly man. If I get money, I not go stingy for you.
You don't carry the one way there.
But no day.
No wahala, I see her for your face. Say you be giver. No wahala. Since you not get the money, I be need that 500 naira. But no wahala. As you not get to make a call it go.
No wahala.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay.
Come along for me, yeah.
They go. You see them? Useless people. Can you imagine? Small money when I just stay park on credit just now, where they pay me, where they my pocket. How this man tell no, I don't know. You want to ask me, man, forgive him inside. It not go happen. Go ask your pikin. Nonsense. Make I keep this money well because this
money wey Papa don't carry come out.
where the money?
Go and ask your father.
Please, you people have to be patient with us because our network is slow. Our network is slow because our server is down and we cannot serve you when our server is down. So you have to be patient. Besides, there are lots of people inside there. So we have to attend to them one after the other. When that first batch come out, then you can go in. As you can see, people are coming out. So just be patient there and be rest assured that we are going to attend to you people one after the other. You are our valued customer and we love you. No. Leave the 20 billion naira in my savings account. That is my savings. Leave it there. If you want to spend money, spend from the corporate account. I'm on call. Yes, so remove 20 million from my corporate account and hire 4 private jets. Yes, 1 for e-money, 1 for man like Chico, 1 for Big Cubana, and 1 for me. I'm on call.
1 for OBIKIng. So was coming.
Yes.
They worry you. Okay,
So if you open my room, go to my room, the drawer. I have 2 million naira cash. Get fuel for my 4 cars and for the compound, I'm at the bank. I'll be back shortly.
Yes, sir, please, what do you want to do?
I want to make deposit.
Okay, please come inside.
Relax now. I can't hear the amount of money he's calling. Relax.
Elderly man like me, there yes since morning, it's time for some.
My yes, and you can't get shishi.
No problem.
A few moments later.
Will you get out of that place? He's mad. Okay, what? See this idiot too. He said one deposit, I give a teller. He can't go toilet. Now for teller, they deposit money.
Not be this bank and they use.
Which bank they use? Without even checking, I can only 600 naira down. You might come deposit money, you won't come deposit sheet. If I toilet for now, we take maintenance.
Every month, Shana, they send me that bit for maintenance.
You go stop that nonsense. Don't try that nonsense here again.
Ogasu, food and jobs since morning. He did my best since I dey save him. I say I come back on deposit, come the shot for me. Oga, the bank they work, you know be God.
Hey, that please come abeg.
Thank God I get 2 accounts. My reach UBA.
So to now go back and wear bullion van.
I don't say that guy no get sense. Nothing you want them. Mumu.
Ah, Wizzy. This one you're punching, are you okay?
I don't really do okay with Chief, to be honest. I need small favor from you, like 50k. I might do the new year now.
50k?
Yes.
Well, I gave you money 2 weeks ago now.
I spent them 2 weeks ago.
You spent it 2 weeks ago. Hey, I'm rushing out. Come. We'll talk in the car.
Now, Chief, I trust your doings.
Joy is coming.
Joy is coming.
Joy is coming.
Asa, Bia, come, eh?
Chief.
Asa, how are you now?
Fine, my chief.
Up in there, let's go and spend the night together.
Okay. You, I don't longer accept cash. I don't accept Bitcoin.
Bitcoin?
Yes, sir.
When did you people start collecting Bitcoin?
Chief, I'm not saving my money.
They don't upgrade. They are
I
sure
want
don't
to trade
upgrade.
though. I used to trade with Realest Pub. They are fast and reliable. You sell and buy Bitcoin, gift cards,
sure
and
don't
all that
upgrade.
cryptocurrency. And guess what, Chief? They have the highest rates now in the country.
No problem, eh? But before that, this is my boy here. I want to help you bring one gear that will take care of him for the night.
Jesus. Chief, I don't want. I do alright. I beg.
What do you mean by you're okay? Let one gear just take care of you now.
You know, see, my babe, they can't spend wash night with me. So I'll just one day on my day.
But that one does not mean now, eh? At least before your girlfriend come, you two, you have to come now.
I need this Pluto, I beg.
If you insist, what am I?
No problem. Come one gear for me, eh?
Okay, Choco.
Who please? Choco, okay. Make Choco not come here, oh. Choco will not the wet. Do be not there around.
Do me.
Let do be come.
Doobie. How much will you
I
collect?
don't know them.
Let me take care of this, my boy, this night.
Chief, just bring 500k.
500k for where? Do be. Because you see car. Now 50,000 will be your money, Chief. No answer now. Enter motor mode, they come out.
Busy. Chief. So you used to come here and carry a shower?
Yes.
I stick into the house this evening to ask me for 50,000.
Jesus.
Now she wants to come give the money, Chief.
Yeah, I pour you spit. I pour spit for your face.
I pour spit for my face. You go suffer. You go suffer, don't worry.
Will you go down where?
Sorry, ma.
Who's your mom?
Sorry, babe.
Can you imagine? Next time you leave me and go and be talking to other girls after everything I've done for you.
Babe, I'm sorry.
You know what? Take the car, drive to the market and get me food store. I sent money to your account and I sent you the list. Please be fast. What are you looking at? Hello, Faye. Yes, now send me Bitcoin. Yes, I'll trade it with amazing exchange. They buy and sell all digital assets. Bitcoin, USDT, and all kinds of gift cards. I mean, they are fast and reliable and very transparent.
Hey, young lady. You look so beautiful. I don't know if I can get your number, please.
Sorry, I don't give my number to strangers.
I'm not a stranger. You stay in the same state, right?
Yeah.
Let's get to know each other now, baby girl.
No, just put your number here.
I should put my number in your phone. I think this will be better.
Hold up. Dissolve. Come here,
Even me myself, I shock. Bro, even me myself, I shock.
You don't face call with the wife.
Who be this now?
Divan! And my wife, Nani.
Jesus.
Don't say she knows how to work. She don't go service her foreign.
Okay.
No, they go. This weekend are for me and you.
They don't drink.
Then the eyes, they pay me and they waiting me this.
And you are back.
Yes.
Who be this now?
Dissolve!
Now the game we carry come meet me yesterday night now from club. We are looking for house girl so she will do the job. Where do you think you are going? Go and clean this place.
Jesus.
Clean that thing, my friend.
I don't dare my friends.
You don't really die, don't worry. If anything, woman, avoid me. Avoid them. As I avoid anything, woman. Any woman, why I see? I And so they avoid you like plants. They go. Especially the one we carry Bimiash. Just they go. Anyone we carry Bimiash.
Twins, who get these slippers?
Madam, on my own.
Now the person who get these slippers come my house, come thief.
No. Now he get them. See my own for gun.
Una dey craze. Una want to push me to each other.
Madam, calm down. How you go thief forget your slippers?
See madness. Una still dey ask una self. Officer! What be that? Now them be this, they never confess.
Which of una get the slippers?
Officer, calm down. We go confess.
Officer, if they no confess, carry them go barrack.
Jesus. For the last time, which of una get the slippers?
I swear to God.
Don't die, my friends.
We must learn a lesson.
Excuse me, sir. How may I help you?
Well done.
Well done.
Gamma not the one they sell drugs.
I'm the only one on duty.
For more than 5 months, one of my guy, private part, they scratch and like saying get gulu.
Wow. 5 months.
Now you, Pluto.
That's a very long time, oh. Where is he? With the way it is now, the only way I can help, you have to go and bring him because I need to administer some injections to him.
You know if you give me drugs, my will give him.
No. It's not something that you can do.
Pluto,
if giving overdose, it may harm him.
Your private part is scratch.
It be like saying that you get her, I be now you get her. Speak out, I cannot hear you.
Not the shout, no, me.
Doctor!
Oh.
He said I get gonorrhea.
Oh, on them.
Everything is outside.
Your mates they press money, they are they sleep.
What do you wake me up to insult me?
Beg, forget about that one. If you find me like 1K. Forget that thing. See, just give me 1K. As I they come back now, and I told us I go they spray. You know what they call it? They do Brazil.
Oh. So now they collect money from man to go see man.
Who be man? You follow one man? You supposed to answer to the Maochi Awaka. You don't follow man. I no one talk. Just give me 1K.
If not be because of that bro to bro love, I for no give you this 1K. But I go give you.
Why don't even get another money? 1,000 way again. Broke person.
Waiting old man sit down they see. Small children like una no go see am. Man una arrest for this December.
1,000 naira, 1,000 advice. I better go sit down.
Beggar with choice. Proud beggar. That's our dad. Don't worry, we will do
Oh, my princess! Yeah. You look so beautiful, my princess. You're my baby. What do you want, baby?
I just need the hairs, the shoes, the clothes. I mean,
Type shit, baby. My driver is coming. Anything you need, I'm going to give you. Type shit. You know what's here? Air to browsing. Babe, I got iPad, I got iPhone, I got everything. Everything you need is there. Type shit. Fuck the rent. Let me just call this man. He's gonna have your phone. Do you have a time?
yes, I just recharged 200 naira.
Give me your phone.
Yeah, do Brazil, do China, do Brazil, no get time.
Your choice kills me.
The Lord has done it fine.
You carry your phone, come on, so.
Petit là. Olha essa coisa là. He don't go. He don't go.
Hello, agent. I beg, if I give you a 16 Pro Max, how much go remain to book my flight to Thaedoboy? I won't come out tomorrow.
Jesus.
Madam, that bros don't I go pay us our money. I go pay us our money.
You just got back. Yeah, that's true. Obule. What's in this moment?
The name, like of the song I was playing?
Of the you.
Of the you.
Ini. The name's Ini. I just got back, officer.
You just got back? That's saying IJGBTQ.
queue. Yeah. I think you're mistaken for like a whole nother thing. There's no queue there.
There's no queue?
Yeah, there's no queue there.
There's been a queue since you people enter into this country. There's been a queue every goddamn year. There's been a queue at the club. There's been a queue in the church. What? There's been a queue in the ATM.
That's not our fault though. Like you guys had like 11 months to prepare for all this.
11 months to prepare for you?
Yeah.
Where do you live?
I live in New Jersey.
Listen to me, young man. I don't need to buy a new jersey before I can ball on you. Go get him. Don't worry. I'll explain to him.
Just don't do that again. It will never be funny. Just respectfully, stick to policing. Yeah.
Okay, you want to laugh? Good. We have comedian in our station. Get that from this guy.
Sir,
don't let me start with you.
I thought that was the vibe. Yeah, what's going on?
The boy is wasting my time.
Officer, okay. Let me talk to you in dollars.
Let me talk to you in dollars.
Do you have a bank I can send it to?
Yeah, Bank of America. Hold on. Let me call this.
Oh my, don't hear dollars. Baba.
Sorry, I'm getting a call. I'm sorry.
Now you they call you.
My fault. Just 1 second.
Now you they call you.
Okay, I see what's going on here. Jessica Whitehall.
Sarah Smith.
That's the name.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you in person. Wow.
I'm just obeying.
Yeah. Thank you.
I've enjoyed the rest of the day.
Yeah, you too. Me too. Right on.
Policeman na Yahoo boy.
I remember an vessel. Now one man I say make a call give you now this rice.
God bless you. God bless you for this Christmas. No, for this New Year.
I don't deliver. Eh? Not be this address. I remember an vessel. Now wrong address.
If I hear.
If you try now, I go die you.
Move you now. Carry this thing, Jare.
The day on their own, you carry rice, go and give them. Now it's a nonsense.
Now police.
Wait now. Others they don't go like this. They run, they go, they meet the police. You say you don't get sense.
Yeah, George, start. I mean, police want to start. I don't run him there.
Very good.
If I see you next year, every 2 minutes will be funny. It be better me use color low. Rubbish.
Things that should end in 2020.
If I cost 2 seconds,
constant rise of the dollar.
2 seconds plus 100 naira. If I see you next year,
let's see.
M will return for that M. Part of airline. That M. If I see that M again,
me say my own hair don't go. See, my hair don't go. Which one again?
Many challenges are inside Nigeria. 1 minute suspect challenge, another minute we are doing of course challenge. If I see any challenges,
no
so
more
challenge Yoto, challenge Yoto.
No more challenge. No more challenge. Boom.
Get ready with me, boy. You are starting.
Get ready with me.
Get ready with me. You are showing me private parts. And you start. And you the guys. Tell my I don't want to.
So you don't show this
time. Get out. Kilo day from 60 naira, 80 naira, 150, 500, 800, 1,000 plus. Just 1 liter of fuel. If I see any nonsense, price the next year.
What's the last one? Let's see.
You can see where this one is 2. You can see where it's 2. Couple goes, Ejo. Couple goes, Ejo.
People will never forget sentence.
Couple goes. 2 of you. Couple goes, Ejo.
When I let us rest, we were single. We were single. We were single, I beg. Mona let us breathe. I beg. As we never see girlfriend, we never see anybody. You understand? We never see wife. We never see money. We never see anything. When I they marry, we get with the relationship. Mona let us breathe, I beg. You feel me? Anyways, thanks guys for watching to the very end. I really appreciate it. You understand? What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it down in the comment section. And in case you're coming across my channel for the very first time and you're yet to subscribe, you know what to do. Subscribe. Drop nice comments. Check out my other videos. I have fantastic and fantabulous videos on my channel. Check them out. And do not forget to drop nice comments. See you in my next one, guys. Peace out and enjoy the new year.